I think kind of what we talked about earlier with the phones, like it needs to become widely adopted to be like Waze would be horrible if only 1% of the population had cell phones, but so many millions do. Same with driving cars. Like if 90% of the people, whatever the statistics are for people who have smartphones, if that many people have self-driving cars, I think you can get really close to 100% safety rate with that. But yeah, if it's 50-50 and you're relying on half computer and half non-predictable human error, drunk driving, texting, yeah, you're going to have higher injury rates. But when we get closer to full adoption, I think you're going to see those rates plummet like crazy.